Just now we created curve using spiral path. We can do the same using B-spline path. Okay, now let's click on the Bezier curve. This is the Bezier curve. And notice the mode here. We will select the B-spline path. We will add a new layer. For example, this is the curve shape that we want to create. And now we close the shape. Now you have an object that's shaped like this. With this closed path, we can fill in with color. Let's say we go to the fill and stroke and select the color. You can go to the color palette below here to select any of the color. For example, we choose a color like this or a color like this. Now you can go to these node tools here, edit path by nodes, and you will notice the square handle here. With this square handle, you can modify the curve easily. With a B-spline path, it is somewhat easier to manipulate the curve compared to using spiral path. For example, here if we want to change the curve, we can just move in the node, the rectangle, because B-spline path make up of many small rectangles. We can adjust the shape like this. But if we do the same thing with a spiral path, notice that if I'm using the spiral path here, I select the spiral path, it can still create a curve shape like this. But manipulating the spiral path is more difficult because the handle can easily go out of control. And I fill it with a color and go to the node tools here. And notice the tools here, it is harder to manipulate. It is harder to control the node also, because any small changes can create a big effect on the tools. So try to explore curve using B-spline path.